Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. It's a bot, a Python program, my first Python program, that is made to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq with as goal to do some passive income. And in a daily, almost daily update, I show you guys how the progress is on the bot and how we're doing on the market. So let's see how we did today. Well, as usual, we start with the code and the code screen. And the code and the code screen did not change. There are no changes in the code because we're still testing. And we see some numbers down here, and we saw some interesting numbers right up when we had numbers in 116, 119, 113, while the change was only 0.3 or 0.27, so something isn't right with those changes. The percentage change is not corresponding with the actual changes I see. So we wait a couple of days, maybe till the weekend, maybe earlier, but it's hard to go. That average percentage change, those APC, this one, average percentage change, yeah, I don't know, together with the loss change, if this is really effective. To see if there was a market, a slow market or not, then we can use the APC to see if we get a higher number as 1. But yeah, I have to look. We wait a couple of days, a couple of more days to see how we do. Then if we leave the code screen and we go to the bot, then we see that the bot has still a white background. I know, it's repeating every day the same. I know. I can't help it, guys. I hope you still like and subscribe, etc. Because I'm telling you, and I know this is not boring stuff, but it is repeating same thing over and over again. So yeah, nothing happened. We had almost 900 candles in the last 2 days. And yeah, current histogram is 6.4. So the MACD with the signal line are rather large in difference, but yeah, it's not enough. It's not enough. If we'll see, the oldest candle open is 142, previous candle is 140, current is 139. The difference between all three for each candle should be at least 2 to open a contract, and the MACD should be in the right direction. So the bot does not open any contract at all, but it functions rather good. Then we leave the bot and then we go to the market. And if we look at the market, we see we had something today. There was a small sell-off, but it corrected again, and I adjusted the ATH. So we have a new all-time high, but it's only for 10 or 15 points. So we don't have a significant change in the ATH today, but there was a new ATH, and from that point it went down. And then we had again, this is a 1 hour market. This is if we look at the 5 minutes, it's the 5 minutes. Nice. Hey, look at it. Ain't it beautiful? No, it's not. Good. So, market done. We can look at the day And we will look at today Tesla. Yeah, okay. It went down for a couple of days, and I thought it will break down further, but it seems like we're going to, yeah. Nvidia going stronger up the last couple of days. Now had a red candle today. Google, ooh, hanging around the support line, broke the support line. If you have to find a new support, should be around 167 euros. Mindful, these are euros, these are not dollars. Yeah. Then, whoa, Intel had a rather good day today. Rose almost, how many? Rose 16% for Intel. They brought out a new processor? I don't know. 16%. That's rather good. Now 27. Okay, Meta. A red candle. A red candle for Meta. After all these days of growing, they actually had a red day today. Okay. Apple. Back to the resistance. They were there already. Once, twice, third time. Let's see if they break the resistance and go up, or that we go back again with Apple. Amazon below the support, and it's a downtrend a bit. Yes, is it? Highs, lower lows. Yeah, okay. Microsoft sideways, and then we're back at the US 100. And we see, like I said yesterday, we had a climb for the last couple of days to the new ATH. But if we look at the candles, it was slow again. Take a look at the VIX. Yeah, the VIX is also not really active. And that's what we have done for the market. That's what we do for today. So let's see how we do tomorrow. I hope you be there to see the next boring video about the market and how it's going slow, quick, slow. And like, subscribe, leave a comment, and watch the other boring videos. Okay? See you guys tomorrow. Oh, one more thing. Have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.